Don't try to be no hero.
Sexual realignment used to require expensive surgery, months of hormone treatments, years of therapy, and you still ended up looking like a drag queen. Now you can let the woman inside come out in the privacy and comfort of your own home. And it's as fast as this.
See? Now I'm a woman, thanks to Rapido. This do-it-yourself sexual realignment kit includes everything you need to go from Brad to Brenda in a...
The day of liberation is here. Throughout history, only the biggest and strongest survive. Being big means you're successful, and women love big men. And as a successful man, you need to feel comfortable when you're sitting down to eat. Clothes for the bigger man. Don't be bound by society, bogus medicine, and the media with their unhealthy focus on being skinny. Don't be constrained by trying to squeeze into a XXX. Bored of feeling like a man in a sausage skin in your size 48 jeans? Bored of being uncomfortable? Kilimanjaro, the clothes shop for enormous men. We're fighting to end hunger. Yours.
What's your poison, Gran or Jean? Ah, man.
Hello?
Lisa?
Yeah?
How you doing, bitch? How do you like living in that house we built together, huh? Georgie's life watching that bald bastard of a new husband kiss you in the morning. They want their real father, Lisa.
When you just can't be there in person. San Andreas telephone. Those difficult conversations.